Got Uncle Evan on the grill.
Let me put my shades
Yep, yep. Chavez, supervisor. Got the pork chops right there.
You recording?
Huh? You're recording?
You recording?
And then we got the master egg right here, the acorn. It's going down. Huh? What? Fromage?
C'est pas que fromage, c'est teaser, ça.
Okay. Yep. Sure. Well, this is the after. Uncle Evan. Got it.
Bonjour, on peut manger là, c'est bon manger. Un petit peu de barbecue là, avec c'est son ami.
Spread a little fromage on top of that.
Le fromage et piment.
Chavez working on Gutless. Getting that wiring harness in there, in between the radiator.
He's working on Gutless while I'm working on putting food in my gut.
Make sure to tune in to Evan's channel.
Wait.
Evan's Detail, Uncle Evan.
That's really gonna go home. I'll be hanging pretty low.
Man, you know this is gonna be going up through the hood. Come on.
No.
You know he's just messing with you.
That ain't going That ain't going
You don't want to go through.
Show him how it's gonna go.
Man, don't put that through the hood, man. Go like that, man.
We'll get this turned around.
Right there.
Yeah.
That tailpipe's gonna be facing forward like that.
Yep.
Forced induction.
No, the que passato, hey, the que paso. After I pull him, we better put the light at the light in the bathroom.
Yeah.
He said, you saw no one swimming. I said, how can I see you? He was in the back. It didn't go that squirming.
Sound like he was making up some excuses.
Oh, tons of excuses. And then he looks at, I looked at my side mirror, and I had him like 3 or 4 cars pulling. 3 or 4 cars pulling him.
Come on, man. You talking about a 3-valve against a 6.0 G8
It's a 4-door family car though. He's got a sports car.
with cam, bolt-ons,
Yeah.
E85.
Yeah, but his car, man, it's a sports car. But he's talking about